Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to solve Leetcode today's problem. Today's problem is best time to buy and sell the stock. Okay, so let's try to understand what is the problem statement and how we solve this problem. So you are given an array price where price of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Find the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. Basically, the problem statement is that we have given a array price array, okay, and each price I denotes that the cost of the price of ith day stock. It means that we have given a array of price and price of I denotes that the price on the ith day, that is, suppose there are so many stock in these different day. Let us try to understand this problem on the whiteboard. Okay, so suppose this is the this is our given array, and this array is denoted as stock array. Stock array, a stock of I denotes that price of any given stock on the ith day, and similarly price of I on the price of a stock on day 2, similarly like that. We have to maximize the profit. Okay, and profit is denoted as you have to buy one stock on any day as you wish, and you have to sell that stock on other day, and it is compulsory that first you have buy stock, first you should buy, then you have to sell that stock. Because whenever you have stock in your hand, then you may sell. If you don't have a stock, then you are not able to sell that stock. So this point is very important. And also, so we have to maximize the profit. So our intuition behind this problem is that when we get maximum, so maximum will we get when we buy the stock when the price is minimum, when the price is minimum, and sell that stock when price is maximum. Okay, then we get the maximum profit. So and one thing also, not care about that, first we have to buy the stock, then we have to sell the stock. Suppose in this question, if I want to calculate the global maximum, so global maximum is 7 and global minimum is 1. So we get maximum profit after buying at 1th at day when the price of a stock is 1 and selling when the price of a stock is 7, then we get the maximum profit of 6. But here problem is that 7 is lie before the 1. It means that we are not able to sell the stock before buying the stock. So we have to take care of that thing also. So what I need to do, so first calculate the minimum value at every iteration, and say minimum value in every iteration, and sell that in that particular day. Suppose take the minimum value is equal to, first initialize with any greater value like int max. Okay, and if I iterate from the I is equal to 0 till the I is equal to n minus 1, then at every iteration calculate the minimum and sell that stock in the given day. If I is equal to 0, then the minimum is equal to 7, and sell that stock on the next day, because first we have to first suppose if I buy that stock in the ith day and sell also in the ith day, then there is no any profit is zero. Okay, so if you sell that day also, then there is no profit. So what I did first, update the minimum is equal to 7 and sell if I wanted to sell in the ith day. So profit doesn't change, any profit is equal to 0. Okay, again we came at I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, so minimum is updated as 1 and sell at the ith day. So ith day has one value to sell in the ith day, again profit is 0. Again if we calculate the minimum, so minimum is 1, minimum doesn't change because 5 doesn't greater than 1, so doesn't change. And if I wanted to sell the stock when the stock price is 5, then we get the profit of 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, again we move forward at 3 when the price of the stock is 3. So int minimum is doesn't update because the minimum is 1. So if we sell that stock in this trade, then we get the profit of 3 and we have to maximize the profit, so take the maximum of these two. So maximum is 4, so profit doesn't change. If I sell the stock at 6th day, at the day when the price is 6, then the minimum doesn't update. And if I wanted to sell this stock at the day when the price is 6, then we get the profit of 6 minus 1, that is 5. So profit is updated as 5. Similarly if I came to the end, then profit the doesn't end. So maximum profit after buying the stock at this day and selling the stock as this day, then we get the maximum profit. So we have to return the maximum profit. Okay, and in the question it is also given that if I am not able to achieve any profit, then return 0. Okay, so let's try to understand the code, how to write the code. Okay, if I take these test cases, then this is a decreasing order array, decreasing order. Then you are not able to generate any profits. So suppose if I buy the stock at any IA day, then you have to sell in greater than IA day, greater equal to IA day, then all day we get the negative profit or 0 profit. So in this case we have to return the 0. Okay, so let's understand the code. See first, take the size of the price array. So we get using the size function. After that we calculate the minimum says that we have to buy any stock in a stock in any day that has price value is minimum. Okay, so first initialize profit is 0 because if we are not able to generate profit, then we have to return 0. Okay, so iterate from I is equal to 0. So update minimum is equal to minimum of price of I, and if I sell the stock on that day, it means that if I buy the stock as I is equal to 0 and sell it as I is equal to 0, when we are not able to generate any profit. So the profit doesn't change. If I do for I is equal to 1, then again update the minimum and profit is equal to max of whatever the previous profit and whatever the profit we get after selling the stock on the given day. If I end if I complete this iteration, we get the maximum profit. Okay, so this is our code. I hope you all guys understand this code. So let's try to submit the code and see whether it is submitted or not. Okay, so let's try to submit. Let's run code, and it is running for the test case number this. And if I try to submit, see if it will be accepted for all the test cases. Yeah, it will accept it for all the cases. So thank you for watching the video.